Okay, let's make some Spanish rice with a little bit of ground beef on Dave's Cooking Show. All right, what we have here is 1 pound of ground beef that I've already seasoned, browned up. Now we're going to add 1 cup of onion that's been diced, and I'll give this a couple of minutes till the onion is nice and tender. And then you want to add 1 clove of garlic once the onion is about halfway translucent. Not entirely done cooking, but, not entirely finished either. Okay, a little further along, couple more minutes. You want to add a 1/2 cup of finely diced red pepper. And then after about another minute of cooking, add 32 ounces of tomato juice. And then you just want to kind of simmer this for a little bit on medium. Also add about a tablespoon of chili powder and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, once this kind of comes up to the boil, you want to add a cup of rice, and then you want to reduce heat to about, medium, and then again simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or so. And after 20 or 30 minutes, put it in a bowl, and that's what you got. Spanish rice with ground beef. Done.